Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from urban Hardware Parkview in Johannesburg.
There's two branches actually. We have the Killarney branch and this is our new baby, which is the Parkview branch. We work as a family. We love to make sure we deliver on our service, and you need a little bit extra, we're there.
Okay, what makes me proud about the store and the service that we provide, the feedback that we receive from customers. We try to go extra mile, and it's good to get compliments, from the community.
We're going to go out, we're going to go make sure that you've got it, or we're going to find you an alternative. We push that a little bit further that nobody else is going to offer you.
What we love about our customers, for me personally, I'd say it's the experience that we share with them. We learn a lot from each other.
We have the best technicians in this area. If you need any color, we've got it. If we don't have it, we're going to make a plan and we're going to make it for you. One of the things that stood out was actually the colors. The colors are vibrant, they're fresh, and they're always changing, which is nice. And Plascon's been there for how many years?
Personally, my favorite Plascon product is going to be the Polven. That's the paint that you use for your walls and ceilings.
The best DIY advice I would give to anybody is your prep. Make sure your prep work is done right. No prep work done right, it's just going to flop.
Urban Hardware Parkview with Plascon, together we've got this.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.